to my YouTube channel. If you're a first time viewer, please kindly click on the subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube channel. On today's video, I'll be showing us an easy way to wash our hair at home. Very neat and perfectly well. Just in case you are so tired, you cannot go to this hair salon to wash your hair and give your hair that wash the hair needs. So you can follow through this video and wash your hair. Please don't forget to like, leave a comment and subscribe. So the first thing to do is to water your hair. After watering the hair to make it wet, apply a generous amount of shampoo on your hair. Then scrub the hair very well to make sure you get through all the debts on the hair. Then wash off the shampoo with water. Be careful with your eyes so the shampoo doesn't get into your eye. After washing your hair, you will notice that your hair is shedding. Yes, it's a normal thing. So don't worry about that. Kindly run your finger through the hair and get off some more hair from the hair. Yes, it's just a normal thing for the hair to shed. Then run your hand all over the hair. Then dry the hair with a towel. You will notice I got a second towel to whip off the water from my face because I don't like using the same towel I use for my hair for my face. So the next step is to apply your conditioner on your hair. Take a generous amount of conditioner on your hand, then spread it all over your hair. Make sure you run it all over the hair. Get to the root of the hair, then comb out the hair. This is the perfect time to comb the hair when you have applied the conditioner on your hair. Comb the hair and make sure the conditioner get through all parts of the hair. After ensuring the conditioner goes through around the hair, the next step is to wash off the conditioner from the hair. Use a generous amount of water to wash off the conditioner from the hair. After washing off the conditioner, comb out the hair again. Then use your towel to dry the hair. Remember to use your face towel to whip off the water from your face again. Now you see how neat our hair is looking. Check from the roots. That is how you know how neat the hair is. Look how the root of the hair is shining. We are not done. We still have one more step to go. So the next step for me, I love applying a deep conditioner on my hair after applying the main conditioner. So for this I use the Mega Growth Deep Conditioner. Apply generous amount of it to your hair starting from the roots. Spread it well enough all over your hair. Your hair needs this. It is very, very important to avoid breakage and more shedding. See how I applied it all over my hair. Please make sure the deep conditioner gets to the root of the hair. It is very, very important. The root of the hair is very, very important. Then wash off the deep conditioner, dry the hair, apply any hair cream of your choice. See how neat the hair is looking. I love applying the shea butter because it is very, very nutritious to the hair. Leave the hair to dry out. You can decide to style the hair or weave the hair when it is dry. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoy it. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment.